Let's start with jobless claims since it's at the top of our list. 228,000. That's down from 230 the week before. That's the unrevised number. I'll see if I get that for you. The revised number. Continuing claims rise to 1,725,000 from 1,702, which is not a big deal. It does still suggest that the labor market is fairly tight. We're not letting people go. Personal income up 0.2. That is less than the 0.3 the prior month. And personal spending is up 0.8, which is not only higher than it was last month in June, 0.5. It is higher than the estimate of 0.7. So you've got the folks at the Atlanta Fed on their GDP now doing some quick recalculations. PCE's deflator. These are the Fed's favorite inflation numbers. At this point, up 0.2 during the month of July. And so on a year-over-year basis, it's up 3.3%, which was exactly as forecast, higher than the 3.0. This is base effects that are happening. The fact, guys, that it is 0.2 is basically what the Fed wants to see. We're not seeing an acceleration in inflation anymore. Same with the core, 0.2, and it's up 4.2%, which is also bang on expectations.
Michael McKee, what else do you see here? I got the market lifting up here. I mean, it's been a 4-day lift. I don't know if I can describe it. The data Dow futures up 195. The VIX comes in 13.75. What does this do to Atlanta GDP now? Are we going to get away from this 5+X near 6%?
Well, not with these numbers, because the personal consumption numbers are higher. So you would expect them to still be in the high fives. Maybe it tips it over into 6. I don't know what their weighting is for this. Obviously, everybody expects that to go down as the third quarter progresses, because this is only the first month. The revised jobless claims for last week were 232, up from 230. This is the funny thing about jobless claims. It's like the training wheels of economic indicators, but you can never make a great prediction because they always revise the previous number, so you don't know what's going on. But what it does show you is that claims went down significantly from the prior week.
Translate that means it's a better labor economy than the gloom that's out there, right?
Well, I don't know that there's any gloom out there. Everybody's still looking at a fairly tight labor market. We are seeing a deceleration in job creation as jobs get filled, but we're not seeing a rise in unemployment.